Good morning everyone, my name is Andy and today we're going to be doing a service, basically just an oil change on Mitsubishi Outlander 15 plate hybrid 2-litre petrol engine. So I'll show you step by step on how to do it. Right, there is a car. First of all, obviously we need to lift the car up. In my case, I just put it on ramp. Alright, what you want to do to start with is to take these clips out. You've got 4, show you like that. There's 2 on this side. And 2 on that side. And then there is 4 10mm bolts, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Over there. Right, I'll undo them and I'll come back to you. Right, when you undo them 4 bolts and 4 clips, just slide the cover slightly back. It's going to come out nice and easy. That is the oil filter right at the front, so we'll be changing that one. There is a drain plug for sump. Sump plug bolt is 17mm. Just loosen that up. Let's get a bucket to drain the oil. Undo the bolt whilst when you have the bucket underneath. And right, oil is nearly out, still dripping a little bit, but nearly finished. Now I'm going to be using one of these, which in my case is 6814 for the oil filter, but you obviously can use whatever tool you've got. One of them universal with the chain or wrap or pliers or whatever you've got for oil filter. Pretty much anything would do because the access to it is pretty good, like pretty good, very nice and easy access. Right. Okay. Yeah, fair enough. We can put the sump bolt back in. Sorry for this shaky picture. It's a bit uncomfortable to do it with one hand and hold the phone in the other. Right, 17. Right, that is done. Next we're going to take the filter off. Just keep the bucket underneath, just in case. Right, it's loose. Right, let's get the new filter in. What you want to do is take a little bit of oil and oil install the O-ring on a new filter. Just a tiny little bit. Right, once the new oil filter is in, the sump bolt is tightened. Now we can put some oil in. According to the manual, it takes 4.5 liters. The oil filler is over there. Let me just get the oil and we'll continue. Okay, after filling the oil, close the cap and double check that it's not leaking, not getting wet anywhere around the oil filter. I mean, it shouldn't, but just in case, before we put the... Yeah, all good. Right, so now we can put the plastic cover on back where it belongs. Yeah, get the front in first. Yeah, so you stick the front end in and put at least one screw in the back. That way it's gonna stay in its place pretty much. And then you can nicely do the rest free of the bolts and 4 clips. And lastly, let the engine run for a few minutes for the oil to try to fill up the oil filter and everything, and then cut out the engine, leave it for like 5 or 10 minutes for oil to settle, and that's a dipstick to check the level, make sure it's right. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope it was helpful. See you next time.